The question is 7 equals negative 5x minus 5x squared. The directions ask us to use the discriminant to determine the number and types of solutions of the quadratic equation. So the first thing we know for sure is that the quadratic equation formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now the radicand is whatever is under the radical. So in this case it's going to be b squared minus 4ac. And this is the portion of the quadratic equation that we are going to use to determine the discriminant. The portion, the radical, is the discriminant in this case. So the first thing we want to do is get our question that was presented to us in standard form. Now standard form, remember, is ax squared plus bx plus c. So what we want to do is, to get that, our question in that form, is we're going to add 5x squared, and add 5x to both sides of the equation, and when we do, we are going to get the equation 5x squared plus 5x plus 7. Now we want to determine what our a, b, and c values are. So a is going to be 5, b is going to be 5, and c is going to be 7. Now remember, in order to use the discriminant, we want to take whatever is under the radical here. So we are going to solve for b squared minus 4ac. And when we plug those numbers in, we get 5 squared minus 4 times 5 times 7. All we've done is taken our values and plugged them in. When we do this math, we have 25 minus 20 times 7, and that's going to give us negative 115. Okay, so now we've determined that our answer is negative 115, and now we can go to this really nice chart that lays it out very clearly for us how we answer this question. We've determined that our discriminant is negative 115. Let's go through how we answer each of these, and then we'll determine which one is our answer. If we have a positive answer, that means we're going to have two real solutions. If we get 0 for our answer, that means we have one real solution. And if our answer comes out as negative, that means we have two complex but not real solutions. So because our answer was negative 115, that means our answer was negative. So the number and type of solutions for this quadratic equation is two complex but not real solutions.